Japan is getting pretty cold these days. How's the weather where you are? Stay warm and take care not to catch a cold. Let's get ready while enjoying a cup of matcha latte. Every country has its own fast food culture. In the US, you've got McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, Taco Bell, Starbucks. All super famous in Japan, too. In Taiwan, you often see bubble tea shops everywhere, right? In Japan, fast food often means udon shops, set meal restaurants, beef bowl chains, or sushi places. Among them, beef bowl is one of the most beloved. You might know names like Yoshinoya, Sukiya, or Matsuya. Even smaller local beef bowl shops are all over Japan. Beef bowl even appears in anime. Recently, there was the special wyvern meat beef bowl in Campfire cooking in another world with my absurd skill. A while back, the Akihabara restaurant Sambo, famous for being a bit strict with customers, showed up several times in Steins Gate, and if you go back even further, it was featured in Kinnikuman too. That's how popular beef bowl is. It's practically part of Japanese pop culture. That's how deep beef bowl runs in Japanese culture. While we were chatting about the matcha latte and beef bowl, the latte finished. So let's jump into the main part of the video. Uncle M's kitchen in Japan. Today's menu is... So yes, today we're making beef bowl. I was about to jump into the beef bowl, but since it's super tasty, super simple, and super quick, it does have one downside: not many veggies. So before we make the beef bowl, let's fix that with a veggie pack side dish, Tonjiru, Japanese pork miso soup. For ingredients, you'll need konnyaku, shiitake mushrooms, daikon radish, carrots, potatoes, sliced pork belly, miso, and hondashur. If you can't find some of these, just add more vegetables instead. It'll still taste great. Now peel all your veggies. I'm making about 4 to 5 servings today, but you can have the amounts if you're cooking for fewer people. This soup combines the savory flavor of miso and pork with the sweetness of the vegetables, truly umami-packed. You don't have to match the ingredients exactly. Just think pork plus miso plus veggies plus dashi. If you can't get daikon, try using turnips instead. Peel just enough daikon for what you need. Next, slice everything up. I've got some leftover carrots from last time, but they're perfect for today's soup. Do you guys enjoy ASMR veggie cutting sounds? Let me know in the comments. Do the same with the potatoes, about the same size. Normally, we'd also add burdock root, gobu, but since it's hard to find overseas, I'm skipping it this time. If you can get it, definitely add it. It deepens the flavor beautifully. And slice the shiitake mushrooms. Don't waste the stems. They're edible. Aim for slices about 5 millimeters thick. For daikon, you can do quarter slices, or have them again if the pieces feel too big. Now for the konnyaku. It's calorie-free, and in Japan, we even have konnyaku jelly snacks. But it does have a bit of a smell, so don't add too much. It's like an upgraded version of the miso soup from the last video. And it's even served at Yoshinoya and many Japanese homes. And the pork. Cut it into a few slightly larger pieces like this. A bit of fat actually makes the tonjiru richer and tastier. Now heat some oil in a pot and lightly saute all the vegetables. Until they start to soften. Then transfer them to another bowl temporarily. Add a little more oil and now stir fry the pork. Once it's cooked through, return the veggies to the pot and mix everything together. Pour in water just enough to cover all the ingredients and start simmering. If you're new to cooking, don't worry too much about exact measurements. Start with less water and adjust as needed. It's easier to fix later that way. When the broth starts to boil, skim off the scum. That's called aku in Japanese. Keeps the flavor clean and the soup clear. Let it simmer again. Skim once more if needed. Now add 1 teaspoon of hondasher and about 2.5 tablespoons of miso. Stir gently to dissolve the miso. Don't let it boil too hard. Once the daikon turns translucent and the potatoes are tender, it's ready. You can simmer a bit longer if you like them extra soft and hearty. Alright, time for the main dish. Beef bowl. Japan's most popular fast food beef bowl. The key ingredients: onions and thinly sliced beef. We'll also add a little ginger as a secret flavor boost. See? Way simpler than the soup. I'm making 2 servings this time. Peel and slice the onion. About half to 1 onion depending on size. Cut into 1 centimeter slices. Then prepare your beef. Slice into bite-sized pieces if needed. Now for the sauce. You'll need water, sugar, and hondasher. Sake, soy sauce, and yes, ginger too. I forgot to show it on camera earlier. Use Japanese soy sauce if you can. The flavor's totally different. I'm using this one from Oita. It's my favorite. Mix 120 milliliters of water, 60 milliliters of soy sauce, and 60 milliliters of sake. That's a 2:1:1 ratio. Add to a pot, bring to heat. Then add 1 teaspoon hondasher and 1 tablespoon sugar. I forgot to show the ginger in the video, so here it is. I'm adding just a little bit of ginger. It's perfect for this colder season, since it helps warm up your body. If you freeze ginger, it becomes super easy to use. You can grate it really fine or shave it thin. It works great as a hidden flavor or as a topping. Once it starts simmering, add the onions and cook until they turn translucent. Then add the beef. I separate and add it in small portions so it doesn't clump together. When the beef is fully cooked and the onions have soaked up all that flavor. In Japan, soy sauce gets sweeter the farther south you go, and saltier up north. Since I'm from Kyushu, I usually go for the sweeter southern soy sauce. It's perfect with sushi and sashimi. It's perfect. Scoop some freshly cooked rice into a bowl and pour the beef mixture, the adama, right on top. In Japan, adama means head, referring to what goes on top of the rice. That's it. Beef bowl is done. For the Tonjiru, I don't usually add green onions. But since I had some left, I'm using them for a nice pop of color. These days, beef bowl has evolved. You can find versions with raw egg, extra scallions, or even melted cheese. But I like the classic style, so I'll top mine with a raw egg, just like the old days. Eating out is fun. But homemade beef bowl is surprisingly easy. Not so hard. Now you can make your own beef bowl anytime. Give it a try at home. Oh, by the way, it's actually my birthday right after this video goes live. So if you enjoyed it, hitting that subscribe button or sharing it would be the best birthday gift ever. Thank you as always. Thank you so much to everyone who subscribed. I really want to make my dream come true with all of you. So please keep supporting me if you haven't subscribed yet. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, notification, and share buttons. Cook it, feel it, love it. True taste, true Japan. This is MA style, real Japanese flavor, straight from the kitchen.